In today's video, I'm going to teach you a few ways to remove duplicate rows in Google Sheets on desktop, along with guidance on when to use each method. Whether you're managing a small project or dealing with a large dataset, efficiently handling duplicates can be crucial to maintaining clean and accurate data. Let's delve into some methods you can use to ensure your data is as streamlined as possible. First up, let's talk about the built-in Remove Duplicates tool. This is a straightforward and effective way to tackle duplicates directly within your existing data. Begin by selecting the range of cells where you want to remove the duplicates. This range should include both the rows and columns encompassing your data. Then, navigate to the top menu and select Data, followed by Data Cleanup, and then choose Remove Duplicates. In the dialog that appears, there's an option labeled Data has Header Row. You're going to want to check this if your data selection includes headers, as this helps Google Sheets better understand your data structure. Now, you'll need to choose which columns should be used to identify duplicates. You can select all columns if you want a comprehensive scan, or specify particular columns if you know exactly where duplicates might be lurking. Once you've made your selections, click Remove Duplicates. Google Sheets will automatically delete the extra duplicate rows, but it keeps the first instance of each duplicate pair for you. This method is perfect if you're looking for a quick fix to clean up your existing data. Now, let's switch gears to something a bit different, the Unique function. This function is particularly useful if you need to create a separate list of only the unique data points without altering your original dataset. To use it, you'll type each is unique, followed by the range that's under scrutiny. For instance, if your data resides from A2 to D100, you'd enter unique A2 D100 into a cell where you'd like the unique list to appear. This function will then generate a new list containing only the unique rows extracted from your specified range. It's important to note that using the unique function doesn't delete duplicates in your original dataset. Instead, it creates a clean version of the data in a new range or even on a new sheet. If after generating this list you decide that you want to replace your original dataset with this new version, you can copy the unique list, then opt for Paste Special, followed by Values Only over the existing data. This will overwrite your original entries with the newly filtered, unique data. Both of these methods have their ideal uses depending on whether you want to modify your original data directly or preserve it while working with a clean copy. By choosing the right method, you can maintain your dataset's integrity and utility efficiently.